to play your E flat major scale for alto saxophone. Alright, we're going to start on our low E flat with no octave key. Alright, we have our E flat, and then F, G, A flat, then we're going to play B flat, C, then we play D with the octave key, then we get to our middle E flat, and then we're going to come back down. D, C, that's when we release the octave key, and then we go to B flat, A flat, G, F, and then we get back down to our low E flat. Alright, let's try playing the whole scale together. I'll count to 4 and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your E flat major scale.